Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. The title Sardar was given by Mahatma Gandhi, but he was known as Iron Man due to his iron will, due to his policies, due to his total devotion to the country, and whatever it involved, he would do to perform his duty. People often asked what is Patel's scheme. The process of integration of the states was threefold, and it is also known as Patel's scheme. It involved, number one, merger of small states with the adjoining provinces. 216 states were merged, 24 areas of Orissa, 14 states of Central Province, 3 merged states included in Part B of the Constitution. Number 2, grouping of small states. For example, Union of Saurashtra, Patiala and East Punjab State Union, PEPSU, integration to the Chief Commissioners provinces like Ajmer, Coorg, Coonch Bihar, etc. He set out and explained that in one of his speeches, when the country became independent, there were as many as 550 states. These were given the choice either to join Pakistan or to join India or to remain free. With the attainment of independence, the urge for enjoyment of similar freedom naturally inspired the people of the states, where the process of democratization of administration had not been made like the same progress as was made in the adjoining provinces. The result was agitation on the part of the people and occasional clashes between the rulers and the ruled. Some rulers who were quick to read the writing on the wall gave responsible government to their people, Cochin being the most illustrious example. In Travancore, there was a short struggle, but there too the ruler soon recognized the aspirations of his people and agreed to introduce a constitution in which all power will be transferred to the people and he would function as a constitutional ruler. Similarly, in Mysore, there was a struggle for a short time in which the popular will triumphed, and we all know that there has been a complete transfer of power from the ruler to the people. So these are a few moments of satisfaction, but at the same time, lot of work has to be done. I hope to get cooperation of the people and the rulers so that the process is completed smoothly and without any disturbances. Of course, we all know that Sardar Patel could complete his Patel scheme. That's why we are living in a country as we find it now, huge, enormous and well knitted.